Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Yes, so on this channel, we share DIY, how to make your own products, and how to draw closer to God. If you're trying to live a victorious life, all these videos are on this channel, and how you can grow your natural hair. Like if you want to grow natural hair, if it's breaking, how you can remedy breakage. A lot of info. So like I've uploaded more than 100 videos. Yes, to my 93 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Hugs to you. Yes, like we're trying to grow this channel. Yes, I'm super excited because today we are making neem face mask at home with the products which you can access at home without using any toxic ingredients. Yes, so make
So
sure
we are
that you
going to
watch
use
this
10
video
gram of
and
our
trust
neem
me, you will
powder,
not
15 gram of aloe, and 10 gram of raw honey, and then a clean bowl, as you can see. And then we'll start mixing our products. So aloe contains 75 potentially active constituents: vitamins, enzymes, minerals, sugars, lignin, sapones, salicylic acids, amino acids. It contains vitamin A or beta carotene, vitamin C and E, which are antioxidants. So neem contains fatty acids and is high in disinfection and quotient, clearing the skin, clogging pores. Neem helps with clearing bacteria and microbes that cause acne and the eruptions of skin, and the good acids in aloe help with skin regeneration and overall smoothness. So neem acts as antioxidant. So antioxidants properties of aloe vera reverses effect of sunburn and rejuvenating the skin, and collagen from EFA in neem, and the oxidants in aloe helps skin elasticity, improving skin texture and appearance. And it's also packed with hydration, like it's so hydrating. So the most crucial summer skin need is hydration without any oily finish chemicals. So we've also added in our honey. So like honey has inflammatory properties that can cure skin conditions such as acne and psoriasis. So according to an older study, honey can help with skin appearance. It can keep the skin looking young. So it prevents infection that cause or accelerate acne.
now. Like I have just to rinse my face with warm water, not very warm, but lukewarm water. I haven't applied anything. So like there isn't nothing on our face. We haven't applied any product on our face. So you have to make sure that you start off on clean face or washed face. Yes, you can use whatever products you use, yes, provided they are good for your skin. Yes, but I normally wash my face with honey, and sometimes I wash my face with micellar water. I did a video on micellar water. You can check that video out. Yes, and I've done quite about more than 2 videos on how you can use honey as a facial cleanser. Yes, so you can check those videos out, or I'll
So
leave
now
them
it's the
in the
time to
description
use our
below.
face mask. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on red subscribe button and subscribe today. Yes, so now I'm going to use my hands. So like a few hands are very gentle. You can use a brush if you want. Tired of investing in inexpensive skin, body products or face products like that assume results but fail to? The answer lies in simple, inexpensive natural ingredients that are a host of benefits and aren't going to load up the skin with heavy chemicals. So actually, like neem, I just don't know, like gets into my eye like more like onion, like ish. It was not a good thing. Like my eyes were so sensitive. Yes, as you can see, I don't know why. I'm yet to find out about that. Yeah, so usually like summers are getting hotter in some parts of the world. So the heat actually causes our skin become rough and tan. So the sweat and grime clogs pores ultimately, resulting in an even skin tone. Yes, so that is how our face looks like. You have to make sure that you leave it on for at least 20 to 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes. We're going to rinse out our face mask. So we've just rinsed out. Look at that glow. Our skin looks so beautiful. Yes, so before you loosen your pace, or you purchase expensive products, make sure that you try out this face mask. Yes, are you going to try that? Comment in the section below if you have tried this face mask before. Thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Yes, God bless you. See you in my next video.